You know, there are many ways on how you can add someone on Discord. Now, if you're watching this video, then you either don't know how to add someone on Discord or you're just curious. What are those other ways you can use to add someone on Discord? And that is not a bad thing. You're going to learn a thing or two from here. So let's just get started. Now, starting with the very old-fashioned way if you want to torture yourself, and that is going to the Friends tab right here. And at the very top, you're going to see the green button that says Add Friend. Now, once you go here, it's going to ask you to type in the username of the person you want to add. Now, personally, I don't use this feature, but that's just one of the ways to add someone. For the second method, you need to be in a server, and within a server, you can just click on a person's username or profile picture, and in their profile at the very top here, you're going to see the Add Friend button. In fact, you can just further enlarge by clicking on their profile picture again, and in their whole profile, you're going to see another button that says Add Friend. Now, another way to add someone right through the server is using members list, which is at the right here where you see the list of names of members and bots. Simply go to the person, right click on their name, and oh, that's me. Just right click on the person you want to add and you're going to see the add friend right here. Also, if you're talking to someone through a DMs and you haven't added them yet, you can go to the members tab right here where you can see a list of people you talk to and then just right click on their name and you can see the add friend right here. Now, lastly, talking about DMs, if you're having a conversation with someone that you haven't added them yet, at the very beginning of the conversation, you're going to see the blue button right here that says add friend. Just simply click on that and that's about it. Now, one last thing before I end the video, and that is when you're adding someone on Discord, you may get some errors. And the errors that I'm talking about is one, when you're adding someone manually through the add friend right here, and you send them a friend request, and then you're going to suddenly get this failed message or pop-up. And it's basically asking you to double check the username because you probably wrote it wrong. The other error you may get is when you're adding someone through any method, which doesn't matter, and all of a sudden you get a failed request pop up saying this person is not accepting friend request. And that is because they're actually not accepting any friend request. They have disabled the feature where people can send them friend requests. So to fix this, either you have to ask them to disable that feature or you can simply ask them to send a friend request instead. Another reason why you may get this error is because Discord actually has a limitation of friends you can have, and that is a number of 1,000 friends. Now, funny enough, this also includes people who are in the pending list. So let's say you're having 999 friends and one of them is in the pending list. That actually counts as 1,000. So the next person who is actually going to send a friend request is unable to send the friend request. So just bear that in mind. Anyways, that's about it. Thanks for watching. Now, if you're curious, why does this profile look so cool and, amazing? I've made a video on this. You can just simply right click at the very top right here and learn more about it. Thank you for watching and peace out.